Now, let me ask you a question. Do you watch YouTube videos daily? Do you listen to music daily? In today's video, I will show you how to earn money just by listening to YouTube music. You don't need any followers for this. This method today is going to be easy, simple, and you don't need any skill for this. The best part of it is that it is free. Yeah, this method is free, worldwide free. So you don't need any money to start this. I know you may be wondering how much can you earn with this method I'm going to show us today, okay? I'm going to show you a help that you can use to easily earn money on YouTube just by listening to music, all right? Listen to one YouTube music, you can earn $2. Listen to 5 YouTube music is $25, and listen to 20 YouTube music, you can earn $200 plus. All right, this method today is worldwide free. Okay, that means you can apply this method anywhere you are from. Warning: make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you can understand how this method works. Okay, because I'm going to be revealing how it works, okay, and what you need to do to double your earning on this application, okay, and earn more with this application even than other people. All right, so before we jump into this video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I create videos every week that show people how to make money online. All right, and if you hit that notification bell button now, I will send you notification every time when I create new videos like this that show people how to make money online. And if you know you get value on this video, which I promise you're gonna get, make sure you smack that like button, okay, and also leave comment below. Let me know your this app I'm going to show you guys that you earn money with, yeah, just by listening to music on YouTube. It's called Current. All right, this is what we did. This application you're going to download, okay, you can download it for Android, you can download it also for Apple Store. But stay tuned, I will show you where you can download it. All right, but first of all, you can see you can search and play from over 100,000 radio station. All right, so it means you just listen to music and earn money with that. Okay, you're going to earn points with that, and this point you're going to earn, you can then redeem it to money either by PayPal, all right, or you can use it as a gift card on, you can use it to buy some other things. You can exchange it to a gift card and so on. Make sure you stick along because I'm going to be showing you many tricks and tips that you're going to use to earn more money on this application. Okay, as you can see here, you earn points by playing your favorite music. The first method I'm going to show you to earn money on this application, first of all, you want to go to for people who are using Apple, you want to go to Apple Store, all right, and download this application. People who are using Android, you can go to Google Play Store and download this application. It's very easy to download. As you can see here, they have 4.5 stars and 132,969 people are using this application to listen to music and earn points with this app. Okay, they are earning points on this app, and these points they can use then to they can redeem it and through PayPal to money. Okay, you can change it to money, or you can use it as you can exchange it for a gift card. All right, also in the Play Store it is totally free. You don't need any money for this. You can use it. Now I'm using it on my computer. You can also download this app on your smartphone and get ready to use, and you can use also with this method that I'm going to show you in the next minute. All right, what I love with this application is that you can use this application, you can earn money on this application no matter where you are. Okay, you can also earn reward when you're just chilling, when you're running, and even when you are sleeping. You just need to leave this playlist and keep on playing. I will show you in the next minute how you can even play the music and leave it to replay every time, even when you are sleeping, to automate your earning on this app. All right, so the first method I'm going to show you is that you want to come to YouTube Music and create a playlist. Okay, this playlist are what you're going to be listening to, and you will earn money with this application. But I will show you how exactly you're going to do it. Okay, I already downloaded this playlist here. You can listen to this playlist and you earn money each time with it. Okay, and this is the bonus tip I'm going to show you. First of all, you want to make sure you had so many music to your queue. Okay, so many music as possible. Okay, from YouTube Music to your YouTube Music playlist, because this is what you are going to be playing even offline and earn money with it. Okay, the good thing about this application is that you can earn money online, you can also earn money offline, but this method I'm going to show you is for that. Okay, and the second tip is that you can go here and check on the hot list. Okay, you can check on the hot list, see more recommendation music to watch and to add to your playlist. All right, this is the number 2 tips. Okay, how to leave it to work automatically for you is that, even for example when you're sleeping, you can just go to this icon here and click it. It means when the music starts from beginning and plays to the end, this music will automatically come back to the first one and begin again. Okay, and repeat again from the beginning, also to the last music, and more like that. Okay, that's what we want to do, and that's the number 1 method. I'm going to show you 2 methods to use this to earn money on this application automatically. It's not YouTube that's going to pay you the money, it is this application that's going to pay you this money for listening to music on YouTube. Okay, but how you're going to do it is that you're going to synchronize your YouTube Music with this application, so that when you play the music on YouTube, you are going to get paid. All right, so that is the method number 1. Method number 2 is that you are going to you go to YouTube, okay, and listening to playlist on YouTube. But stay tuned, I'm going to show you even some tricks that you're going to use to earn even more. You listen to YouTube Music playlist. All right, you want to make sure that you are hearing music that takes like 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour upward. All right, that plays for so long. My third tip is that you can open multiple playlists at the same time on YouTube. Okay, like you see here, I have one here, I have this one playlist here, and that here is another playlist that play also for 1 hour 19, let's say 1 hour, almost 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, so this is how I want to do it, guys. Now I will show you some method, some trick to earn even more money, to double your earning with this application. And one of it is that you want to come to setting, all right, and and set the playback speed to 2. All right, so it means that this will make your music play fast, and you will earn more money faster with this trick that I'm showing you now. All right, and that is number one. And the number two trick that you're going to use is that you want to also come to setting and set the quality for 114p. It means that, for example, when so much people are logging on your VLAN, then you can still listen to music and earn money with this. With no, you don't need too much internet to listen to this music. All you need to do is just set up your video quality to 114p, and even when so many people are hanging on your VLAN, you can still listen to music and keep earning your money on this playlist. All right, okay guys, comment below I'm still watching if you're still here with me, because people who are watching this video to this part are the one who pay close attention to what I'm showing you here. Okay, these are the people who are serious. This is why I'm going to give you my final bonus is this extension here called YouTube Speed Control. You can download this on Google Chrome Web Store on your computer and also on your smartphone. All right, what this is for is now pay close attention. All right, so because what you want to use this is for, after downloading it, as you see, they have 100,000 people using this. All right, to make your music play faster, because YouTube has only till 2. Okay, you can either use normal, or you can use, when you use normal, it means the music is going to play normal. Okay, when you double it, this music will play faster, and the more faster this music play, the more you earn on this with this method. All right, on this application that I've showed you, on current application. So with this Google Chrome here, you can triple faster your video music, all right, on YouTube with this final bonus method. Okay, with the YouTube Speed Control. To increase the speed, you can press plus, and to decrease, you press minus. All right, these are the keys that you can use on YouTube playlist, and you can also use it on YouTube music. All right, this is where the magic happens. All right, because the faster you hear your music, the more you're going to earn on this application, guys. All right, so once again, remember, if you're using iOS, you can download this application to either your smartphone or your computer. Okay, the same thing also to people who are using Android. You just go to Google Play Store and download, guys. All right, and if you want to learn how to make even more money than this, okay, I will leave a link in my description. I will show you exactly how you can make your first $10 or even $50 per day, or if not $1,000 per day. All right, just go to the link in the description. I will leave a link in the description. Just go ahead and click it. All right, and it will bring you to sign up form. Sign up, and I will be sending you details direct to your email on what you need to do. How you can earn your first money online. All right, so with that being said, if you've gained value today on this video, make sure you smack that like button. All right, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I create videos every week that show people how to make money online. So make sure you smack that notification bell button, so anytime when I create videos like this, all right, you put the first one to get notified and get updates. All right, and so in this way you don't miss in the future any of my videos again. All right, so make sure you stay tuned to the next video, and thank you for watching this video, guys. There's advice I want to give you. Make sure you implement this method I'm showing you. Okay, because if you're not implementing it, then I'm also not gaining anything from it. Okay, then if you know you're going to implement it, make sure you comment below, let me know that you are in. All right, just say I'm in. All right. Thank you for watching this video once again, guys. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video.